Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.
各位聽眾朋友，大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling, and let's eat Hakka right now again because this month it's all about 端午節 that is the Dragon Boat Festival. 這個月就是端午節。端午節呢，除了要這個紀念屈原之外，還要吃肉粽。
對，粽哎。
We have to eat what's called the rice dumpling, but there's got to be a special Hakka rice dumpling. 其實客家人呢，他會吃比較客家的，好像是不是叫板粽，是不是？
哎，超嘎，
That's right.
板粽。其實那個一般的粽子啊，粽哎啊，跟那板粽差距最大的地方就是在於那個我們把糯米呢一粒粒的飯的部分呢，你看不到了，
對，
你看到的呢就是板，而且呢板是有學問的哦。它是那個我們把它磨成米漿之後，把那個水分瀝乾之後呢，我們要先弄一個半碼。
半碼是什麼？
半碼就是那個米漿弄好之後呢，要先燙熟之後呢，然後把它和到米漿裡頭，這樣它會比較有嚼勁，口感會比較好。
那更有嚼勁 right?
對。
Okay, so there's a process here. Again, the Hakka bun dumpling is a little different from the traditional kind, where you have individual rice grain. Instead, they have this rice mixture. It's sticky rice as well, and it's a mixture, and it's solidified, and then they make the dumpling that way. 所以这个客家板粽里面包的料呢，可能还是有一點相像啦，對不對？
對，就可能跟原來的那個料是差不多的。
對，比如香菇啦，
對，香菇啦，蘿蔔絲啦，
這些都會。
哈密啦，對，這些東西。
Okay, but the ingredients inside is actually very similar. You have your mushroom, 香菇怎麼說？
香菇，
然後蝦米 dried shrimp,
哈密，
然後不是哈尼哦，是哈密，然後肉絲啊放一放也會有的嘛。
對，加一點肉絲比較香嘛。
對，像 shredded pork and whatnot. Put it together and it's kind of like the same thing again. All right, and then 最後還是用這個葉子把它包起來，然後
超嘎。
Okay, and then you steam it like the way we would steam any rice dumpling. So let's review how to say this particular type of dumpling. It's called the Hakka bun dumpling or 客家板粽.
Hakka板粽,
and it uses糯米, of course, sticky rice.
糯米
And don't forget to put in your 香菇
香菇
and then your dried shrimp 蝦米哈密這個我也學好了 and there you go, steam it and you have your 客家板粽 or Hakka bun rice dumpling.
客家板粽
okay. This year, have your Dragon Boat Festival Hakka style, and that does it for today's talk about Hakka.
什麼大家？
安子誰張來了？
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.